What is up, you guys? So in today's video, I'm picking up a Tesla for my mom. It's actually a Mother's Day gift, and a link to that video is going to be right here. So make sure you guys hit that button to check that video out. I thought it'd be interesting to make a video on buying a Tesla during the pandemic and kind of the process of how that works. So far, all I've done was use my phone for everything, basically. I filled out all my information, all the payment options, everything on the phone, and texting somebody from Tesla. So it'll be interesting to see what the pickup process is going to be like. Yesterday, somebody from Tesla called me and said that because of the pandemic, they're not doing in-person pickup. The lady on the phone said that I guess they're going to call me and kind of walk me through what I need to do when I get there. So I have no idea what to expect, but I will bring you guys along, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Let's get started. Alright, you guys, so I pulled up to the Tesla dealership, and on the door it says that they are currently not allowing people into the showroom. They're doing it by appointment only, and they have a sign on the door that says, "We're working remotely, please contact sales, blah blah blah." I just called the number and they said that somebody from inside the dealership is about to give me a call to start going through the process. But so far I've not met a single person from Tesla, so I'll keep you guys updated as to how that goes. Check out some of these cars that they have. Bunch of Model 3s, X's, this cool little Tesla crate. I don't know what that is. That thing looks sweet. I'm gonna check to see if they have any Model Ys here so I can get some footage of those, because I know those are super hot right now. But yeah, stay tuned, I'll keep you guys updated. Alright, so quick update. I was sitting in the car for like 40 minutes. Somebody in Fremont, California had to approve something, but they just called me and asked me to go on my Tesla app and approve something on my end. And as soon as I do that, they're gonna pull the car up front and get it ready for us to take home. Stay tuned. Alright, next update. I just got another phone call from the lady inside Tesla saying that they're having some technical difficulties. But she did say she's gonna pull the car up so that we can hang out in it until they figure things out. But that's where we're at right now. All right, so another quick update. They still have not pulled the car up. We're still hanging out in the Jeep. They got things or their technical difficulties figured out on their end. I went on the app, approved everything on my end. So now I guess we just wait for a white Model 3 to pull up. There it is. Brand spanking new. Man, that thing is sweet. They're actually putting the plates on right now, and then we're gonna head out. All right, you guys, so overall my experience with Tesla was a really good experience, especially given the times that we're in right now. Everything was flawless. They did have a technical issue, but that was taken care of within 10 or 15 minutes, so it wasn't really a big deal. But like I said, all in all, I was very happy with it. So thank you to Mike and the few other people that helped me out along this process. I'm excited to working with you guys in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video for more. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video.